Hello people. Let's discuss Upptalk for a second before we start the video. Upptalk is an online community for live, interactive software training, creating confident individuals capable of using global business tools. Pega CSA is the subject of today's video. Before going to the main video, let's discuss Pega. Pega is widely used because it is a quick and flexible business process management (BPM) tool built on Java ideas. Next, we will move on to Pega CSA. Pega's Certified System Architect (CSA) certification is intended for developers and technical employees who wish to learn how to develop Pega applications or are actively involved in developing and implementing Pega-based systems. If you like this video and want to see more like it, please share and subscribe to our channel and follow us on Upptalk. Mr. Teja, a certified trainer in Pega, will discuss Pega CSA in depth. Let's start right away once we've greeted him.
You just try to click on save and check, it will come. Actually, it should come before clicking on save also.
Yeah,
You just check it now. I'll tell
because
you why.
page was also not created, so thought. So after save, now page is also created, and
Okay, page is also correct. Okay, sometimes what happens, can you open that section? Now the question is sometimes what happens if you enter the information on the screen, even though that information will not be present on clipboard. Okay, sometimes it happens. Okay, basically in the student editions it will happen, and in latest version also I think it's happening recently. So whenever you have configured something, after you entered the data, check in the clipboard. It has to be present on a clipboard. If it is not posting into clipboard, okay, if it is not present on a clipboard, you open that particular phone number properties, open that one. What you have to do is like open this property, go to actions. You have to create an action. You have to create an action set here. Okay. You click on create action set. Okay. You click on change. You click on event.
add
Add
an
an
event.
Yeah. This is called event action model. Okay. Whenever you give an event and for an event you have to give an action. Okay. Here the event will be on change. Change. Click on add an action. Give post value. First one is in a post value. Now it will post a value to clipboard. Okay. Whenever you're changing a value, okay, then that value will get posted to a clipboard. Okay. Sometimes what happens is it will not post into a clipboard. Now you submit this one. Save this one. Create a new case and check. Or you can modify the phone number and also you can check. You
can I go do a refresh?
Refresh. Click on go. You change the phone number to some other
Even
number.
if I don't change now, it should be populated, right?
Yeah, it should be populated. You just check it. It's there, no? Third one. Top third.
Oh, right. Now it's there.
If you modify it also, it will be present.
Yeah.
If you change the value.
But now both name and phone number both are present.
No,
Earlier,
that is. Yeah, because that is happened because you have made the change in pre-processing data transform, right? So both will be there.
Pre-processing data transform. No, but we made changes. Yeah, but we made change now in phone number, right? We added that event.
Okay, now you try to change the names. Try to change. See, ideally it has to be present. Okay, I'm telling if it is not present, what should we do?
But yeah, that's the thing. I mean, earlier it was not present when I told you, right?
Okay.
You asked like click on save and then it populated. But now if we, after applying that event, without even clicking on save, it's now coming in clipboard.
Yeah. Now you check on a clipboard once Sonam is there or not. I think it has to be there. If it is not there, you have to keep that Sonam to this one also. Sonam You have to keep that event action model to name property.
Name property. So should I, is it fine if I click on refresh here, right?
Yeah, it's fine. You
It's
can
not
also
updated.
change the phone number. Change the
Okay.
phone number and check. Yeah, you just check in the clipboard.
No.
Close it and open it. You can write a condition there when it has to post and when it doesn't post.
Okay.
You can click on add a condition there, and you can add your when rule.
Okay.
Okay. Click on active. Here you can add.
And submit.
Yeah, submit. Okay. I will check why it is not posting. Generally, it will post. Okay. Ideal scenario is to post.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's create one more section
Case,
here.
right? Okay.
Yeah. Now I need a section below similar to delivery location. I need a current location. Okay.
All the same details, house number, street,
Yeah.
everything
Same
same.
details. Yeah, same details.
You said that we can add another, use the same section by clicking on embedded section.
You have to create a property first, a single page property called a current location, and then you have to map it here in the section. Okay.
Okay. And we have to make it as single page, right? We have to give page definition that should be of address, data type, address info. This is the same one, right?
Landmark.
Yeah, we have to give the same reference, right? Cake FW, cake order, data address. Data address.
Other one. Data address.
This is the one, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now if I go and check. Now we
Yes,
have
it's coming.
current location. Now if I go to section, here I have to add dynamic layout again.
Yes.
But I will have to again enter these many things, right? But I remember once he said that we can add embedded section and
Okay, just click on that.
embedded section.
Embedded. Yes. Yes. Use current page context.
No, it is something different. I think so, right? Let's ask him. But actually, I once asked him like if I have to use the same section, same layout. He said that we have to use embedded section, but I don't know this page context. It's the same or
Just click on that. Okay, we'll see. Just click on that.
but it is current page context and this section by name.
By
What
name
is?
or by property?
I'm not sure what does this mean actually. Or let's again create another section. We will then ask him if.
No, that one will we can create, but under
Mhm.
this he needs actually. That is what his expectation.
Then we should create a new one. Structure. Dynamic layout 3.
Yes.
Yes, flexibility.
General and layout format.
Display header and this, right?
Title. Yes. Continue setting title text like current location or something.
Yeah. And layout was inline double.
Yes. Welcome.
Hmm.
Now we are moving now.
Yeah.
Okay.
But actually had a question. So you said that we will need another section, just current location and all the same details, right?
Correct.
So it's like we are utilizing the same dynamic layout. But for that, once I asked you the same, so you said we can use embedded section. We were trying, but we were not able to understand what does
No,
exactly.
no.
We have to create
Embedded section
separate.
is something you can use whenever you are referring same section at multiple places.
Okay, so same details and everything, right?
Yeah, same details and
Okay.
everything. But here the details are different, right?
Yeah.
Property reference itself is different.
Oh,
So
okay.
it is not possible.
Mhm.
Okay, after adding this section, okay, I need you just reason the requirement first, like after adding these details. Okay, this is simple. After adding these details, in between delivery location and in between current location, okay, in between delivery and current location, I need one checkbox. Okay, checkbox in the sense one clickable checkbox, and the text must be like if it is if it is same as if it is same as delivery location or same as current location,
Mhm.
I need to display like that. You understand?
Yes, yes.
See,
And
what I'm
option it
trying
will
to say
ask,
is
right?
like, yeah, what I'm trying to say is like in this section, how it has to look like is like on the top you have to get current location, on the below you have to get a delivery location. Okay. After that, in between those two layouts, I need a checkbox, and the label for a checkbox is like same as current location. Okay.
Okay.
You understand?
So if
You
you
try
first
to
need current
drag
location, yeah.
same as delivery location. Okay. Sorry, same as current location. Okay. Label.
Okay. And that checkbox should be in should be in two section, right?
Your wish. That is not an issue here. You just add one checkbox anywhere. Okay.
Okay.
I'm just telling you the functionality here, not the user interface. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
If the alignment is not good, also we'll make it later on. But
Okay.
we just need to focus on the functionality first, how to write a data transform and all.
Okay.
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 But first you need to get a current location. After that, you need to have a
To get
delivery
delivery
location.
location.
You jumble those things. You can drag and drop to the top, and you can drag that one to below.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
you understand the functional requirement, right? The
Yeah.
checkbox you
Yeah.
need to add it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that should be go off.
Mhm.
Yes.
Hmm.
So right now click on that, then property value you need to set as current location, phone number or street
Zip
name.
code.
Okay.
I was
Zip
just
code.
matching the same like what was written.
Yes, 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 got it. Zip code.
And landmark.
So landmark, yes.
There is space actually.
Okay, so right now we have everything is same as current location and
Now I
delivery
have
location to
to
put a checkbox validation, right?
right. No, there is text box. I guess pickers, is it? Checkbox, right?
Yes, we'll try. Click on that. Great. Yes. Then what is that?
We need to create a property as well. What
I
is
think so.
checkbox?
I think so. You need to have a value over there, right? I mean text.
But what's the name? I mean,
Uh,
let Suman can
in
answer
the
me.
same class name we should create, right?
Yeah,
I mean
but I mean, Suman can tell us like what checkbox value he wants. I mean, what property value. But again, it has to be of type.
a text only. It should be text like name, something we can mention hard coded.
I don't think so. I mean, when we create a property, we have to give the name. I mean, the type as text or something. But I don't think so. It will take as text. It will be
Checkbox, something is
Boolean,
there.
true or false. Can we create? What should be the name? Name should be uh,
Like previously we are doing, right? Same thing we can put. It will come that order and all.
right. So let
Just type
me.
something. Cake.
The delivery location same as current location.
No, that should be the text message,
Text message.
right? That will be hard coded value. Like is the current location same as
Delivery
delivery location?
location. Look, yeah.
But here we need to add
A
one.
property. What's the
Yes.
name? Or should we enter the name of the
Okay,
property?
just down arrow. Put down arrow in your keyboard. Okay.
We have to create a new one, actually. So that's what I'm asking. Checkbox.
Uh,
This-
some kind of name we can try checkbox or something. We can see what is coming.
It won't be there. We have to edit.
Then we can add like that.
We have to create one, you know. But
Yes.
what should be the name of the property? I'm just saying. Should be meaningful, no? Is the current location same as delivery location? But that is the label name,
Not
right?
to. Yes. You can check that validation checkbox address validation or something,
Mm-hmm.
or like
Location similarity or no?
something like that. We can give anything. We can give for now, just for checking whether it is coming or not. Location validation or something.
Hmm.
We'll see what is happening.
We will have to create the property actually. Location validation, cake order one, create and open, and it has to be of type.
Text, right? Down is there. Down.
No, it won't take text. Decimal, integer, true, false. I think so.
Okay.
Yeah, look, PX checkbox. Yeah, true, false. Okay, let's try. Yeah, era. Location validation. If I submit, invalid reference.
Okay. Property reference location validation is invalid.
Okay, because it's in class cake and that was in data. This location.
None. Okay. We need to create under.
Yeah, outside maybe. We have to create another dynamic
Down we
layout.
can create. No. Okay, we can create
Again,
in
it
down.
will no, it will again take the same class actually.
Uh-huh.
That's why dynamic layout. और ये वाला जो है इसका
That delete option is there.
we can drag and drop. Now it will take, I feel. Location validation. It should take now it is taking because earlier we were putting it inside current
Under current
location
location.
and
Yes.
it was having different class. But if I again change default, it's fine, right? This much
Yes. That is fine.
is fine. And what
But
was
we
like
need
we
to
have
add
to add
like
a label, right?
yes.
There will be some value, default value.
True or false.
Test. No, it's not adding. Helper text.
Name you have to give in checkbox caption.
But again, it's like a property, right?
No, you have to give in quotation. No, it will not take as a property. Try giving it.
Okay, in double quotes, kya?
No, directly. You give it directly.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So actually, we added. We have to create a property in another section.
Property in?
Actually, what we did first, we drag this checkbox under section number 2. Then in terms of property, we have to add a this property, right?
Correct.
Location validation. But this was in class work dash order 1.
Okay.
Okay, we created that property as true false and in class work dash order 1. But we earlier we had added this checkbox under section number 2. So it was showing that the class reference could not be done because this section was actually having page definition as data address, right? Data dash address.
No, you can actually you can add. This is not a list, right? You can able to add. You try now. You do it.
Should I again because checkbox, right? If I edit in section number 2, and then if I go to this,
give the same property dot location validation or
location validation, right? Now if I click on submit, now it's populating. I don't know earlier why it was not giving that.
No, it will take. It has to take actually.
Earlier, I don't know, something happened because of which we created another.
It's okay, no problem.
Should I delete this one?
Yeah, you delete that one.
How do we delete it?
Now save it, okay, and go, just create a case and see how it is coming on screen.
Yeah, but how do we delete this? Just click
Here I don't think directly right click.
Yeah,
Something
right
is
click.
there.
Or else you can click on delete button in your keyboard,
button.
or
Yeah.
you can right click. No, you right click on that one.
Okay, delete.
Delete.
Okay, should I click on save?
Yeah.
And check in also?
No, don't check in. We'll make some other changes. You just try creating a case and see how this section is behaving. Create a case.
Case, okay.
because we need few cases going forward.
Is the delivery
Yes, it is coming.
Okay, is delivery location same as current location?
But
Now you're okay. Now here what you are getting, the delivery location is coming as by default, right?
yeah, the thing
Correct.
is, yeah, but the data transform is applied to the flow action, right?
Correct.
So because of which all this got populated.
Yes.
Okay.
Now I need 1 second. Let me think. Let me think. What I'm trying to say is like I need a default current address. Okay, you are now getting default delivery address,
Delivery,
right?
right.
I don't want a default delivery address. I need a default current address. Okay, that is
So,
the first requirement. Okay. After that, whenever user clicks on that checkbox, okay, whenever user clicks on that checkbox, is delivery address same as current location? Then what happens? The top current address which is there that has to get copied into this delivery location.
mhm.
You understand
So
the requirement, right?
yeah, I mean, so actually we have created a data transform for pre-processing where we
Correct.
have defaulted these values for delivery location. So we
Uh-huh.
should actually alter delivery location and set the default values for current location, right?
Current location.
And
Yes, that
then
is the
we,
first requirement.
yeah, and then second is we have to check this value if this is true or false. I mean, if it is checked, but it should be
Yeah. The
there
second
in report.
requirement is that whenever user checks that checkbox,
Mm-hmm.
whatever the location you have given on the current location
Mm-hmm.
section, that values has to be populated in the delivery location below.
Same, whatever is, yeah.
Yeah,
But
same.
for this checkbox, like you showed, right, we have the actions and then
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
we can set that
Correct.
way,
Yeah,
right?
you can do on click, you can set a data transfer.
Mm-hmm.
And whenever user unchecks that one, these values has to be deleted. Okay.
Deleted. But it
And
should
if you're
be
not,
like
yes,
whatever we have added in current location, that
yes,
same
Mhm.
should be reflected in delivery, not the default
Correct.
one, right?
Not the default one.
not the default
Suppose
one.
we have edited something,
Mm-hmm.
okay, then that edited values has to be populated below.
Right.
Okay, see, we have three phases here. First thing, I need to get default current location. Second thing, on click of checkbox, top values has to be copied to below. And the third thing, whenever you uncheck the checkbox, the below values has to get deleted.
Below values has to get deleted. Okay, it depends on the value if it is true or false.
Yeah, it depends on the value. Okay, got it right. Three break down the requirement into three phases. First thing, I think it is very easy. You just need to make
Hmm.
a change in the data
That
transform. You
transform.
get populated the values here, and then we'll look into how to do this checkbox thing. Okay,
Checkbox. Yeah. Okay.
you just do that and verify. You create a case and verify whether you are getting correct values or not.
Again, I need to create a case, or I can also go for
Yeah, you can also
refresh.
refresh. Yeah.
Refresh. Okay. I'm just making changes. Instead of delivery location, we have to go for current location, right? Yes, save. Okay, now current location details have been filled and delivery location is blank. Okay. It's clear, right, to you also?
Yes, yes.
Okay. And let's go to the section. So, okay. It was there. In this, what he said that we can go for actions and create an action set, add an event that is on change or on click it will be, right, because it's a checkbox.
Yes, clicking, unclicking.
On click and action would be post values, right, because
Once we are putting value only, it should change.
post values, or there was also one I didn't even,
Click on the arrow mark, it should be, okay, okay.
if I click an action,
Post, display post value or refresh.
run data transform, there is also another option. No, but we need to first, this is fine, right, post value, so that it is the value is saved to clipboard, right?
Correct. Just save it. What is happening?
Should I again go to the case, click on refresh, let me check the clipboard for this. It's not coming up for me.
What happened?
Actually for me, whenever I click on this clipboard now, it's showing not showing any thread.
Oh, it has to show the thread. I think
Yeah. Should I again
no. Have you
close?
logged off the previous one, or you have kept the system like that only?
No, I actually
You have
logged off and
relaunched it now, right? Again, fresh.
no. Ever since I relaunched it freshly today. I'm saying before the session.
Oh, then it has to come. You just try log off and logging in once again.
Okay, should I close this?
Yeah, you just close and save your rules. Okay, whatever the changes
Yeah,
you made, I didn't saw. You just save.
it's saved already.
Just log off. Yeah, these are all will get saved.
It's already there.
Launch the portal and open that case or create a case.
Let me create a new case only.
Okay, current location you are getting.
Yeah.
Delivery you are not getting. Perfect. And here in clipboard you have to get this thread.
Now
Okay, now
it is 2. No, it's creating the same case again. I mean, is it? No.
no, it will create a
200.
different case.
Click on thread, there should be some.
It's only one. It's fine. Showing correctly. But I have to click on save first, right?
Ideally, it's not required, but you have
It's
work
not
okay.
coming up, right?
Yeah,
It's
click
not
on
showing
save
page.
and check.
Okay, let me just do
It's refreshing.
this. I refreshed. Let me again close it.
Better you close and open the clipboard.
Yeah.
Because if you refresh, it will refresh only the PY
That.
work page.
Okay.
It will not refresh entire clipboard.
Current location and delivery location. So that case is created in the here. To checkbox location validation, right? So there has to be a property.
Yeah, it's there na top fourth one.
Okay, right. Location, because it is checked, so its value is true, right?
True. Yeah, correct.
Okay. So
Now,
actually we have added an action on
Huh.
click and then post values.
Yeah, post what will it will do when you click on the post, it will set a value on a clipboard. Like if you selected, it will set as true. If you have unselected, it will set as a false.
False,
But you
right?
have to write your own code to populate a values from top value to below, right?
Below, right?
You have to copy the values from current location to delivery location.
Right.
You have to copy a page, like from one page to another page.
Okay, because it's a single page, right? From current to
Correct. It's a single
okay.
page, right? You have to copy, like you have to use update page method, or you have to use set method, and also you can copy. Anything is fine. But
Update page will help.
yeah, where you have to do, like when you have to copy that values
When the
on
value is set to true.
true, in the sense when you clicked that one, right?
Right.
When you click it, you have to set the value. So you
There
have to
was
write your
option. Yes.
you have to write your data transform on clicking of that one.
Mm-hmm.
Here post value only, you'll have one option like run
I
data
run
transform.
other data yeah, there was option.
There you have to create a new rule, new data transform rule, and copy the values from top page to below one.
Below.
Open the section, address info, that one only section, third one. Open that checkbox.
In the actions. Instead of, should I delete this post value?
No, post value is fine. You can keep and you can directly add an action, another action.
Run run data transform, right? Run data transform. What is
It's
the
it's all
page?
auto. Yeah, you keep it auto only, don't change.
Okay, data transform. We have to create new.
Yeah, copy current address, or you give some other name, set delivery address or anything.
Set delivery address. Fine.
See, generally how the naming conventions they will follow is for data transforms, they will start a keyword called set.
Set.
Set delivery address, set some account number, like that.
Okay.
Okay, and for when rules and conditions, they will use is.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Generally they will
Yes,
use like
yes.
that. Okay, that is how they will follow.
This is fine,
Whatever you
right?
have
The
mentioned.
cake order 1001.
Yeah, this is fine. This is fine.
Create open. Okay. So here we have
Target value.
update page first, right?
Mhm.
Page name. For that we need to go for clipboard, right?
Yeah.
That is
What is the target? Your target page.
from current location we have to set, right?
Yeah. What is the target?
Target is delivery location.
Yeah. In the target, you give the delivery location directly. You copy in the top here on a clipboard page. PB work page is not required. Copy
Right.
with it.
Delivery location.
Dot delivery location you can do.
Okay, there was already delivery location. Okay.
Here, see delivery location, and you have another thing called current location, right? Two
Right.
pages.
The
So you can
source.
directly copy from one page to another page. Okay. You need not give like this. Like if you give like this, what you have to do? You give the house number here. House number. In the source, you will give dot
Okay. Current location
dot house number
house
again.
number. Right.
Here, if you give like this, what happens? You need to map each and every property, right?
Right.
Yes.
House number.
I mean another set 1.2, 3, 4 like that, right?
Yeah, you have to add like that 1.2, 1.3, 1.4.
So it is again kind of double work.
Right.
Correct. Here we are having only 4 or 5 properties, so we can do it. Okay, but in real time, you will be having some 20 properties or like that. On a page, you will have some 20 recall. Like on a page, you will be having some 20 properties. Then it will become a work for you, right?
Right.
So
Yes.
you have a relation, right? There you have a relation. Click on a relation with values from.
Okay.
And source page you can give it there.
Current location.
Current location.
And here.
And you remove that one. Current location you remove. Here 1.1. I think 1.1 you can delete. You try to delete 1.1. Is it not accepting it? It is still showing, right?
It is still showing.
Okay, you add step 2 once. Step 2. You keep it like that. You add step 2.
Mm.
Yeah, click on that's it. Click on append to. Append to. You give dot delivery location here. It's a taking dot delivery location. New page, not a new page. Current. You can give an existing page. Give dot current location. You delete the first step. I'm not sure it will work or not. You just delete. Yeah, click on submit. It will try to save.
Mm.
It's saving. It is not saving.
Property
Right?
list type. It's page
Page
list
property.
and it's a single page.
They have made a lot of changes in 8.7. Okay, you just keep update page and you give it like that. Only previously you have given it.
Mm-hmm.
Update page. Or else you can do like this also. If I am not wrong, you can you delete everything. You delete first one also. You directly keep set is in a target. You give a target as dot
Delivery.
source as dot current location. I think it will work. Dot current, save it.
So this will set all the values from
It will set
delivery.
all the values. Yeah,
Okay,
just
this is
save it.
target and this is.
Okay,
It's
now
saved.
yeah, if it is not working, we'll try a different approach.
Okay.
Go to your address info, save that section also. I think it will not work. Now it will not work. You just submit it. Save this section. I'm sure it will not work. Go and refresh. I'll tell you why it will not work also. Refresh. Go, click on go. Select the you uncheck it. Uncheck it again. You go and see in the clipboard whether on delivery location page you have the data or not. It is not coming on UI, but at least it has to come on backend. Expand PV work page. Delivery location, you don't have the value. Click on current location, you have the data, right?
Yeah.
Current location, you have the data, but delivery location, you don't have a data. Click on delivery location. Now, okay, close it. It's okay. Then go to your data transform. Set it normally, like
update
4
page.
steps. Yeah, 4 steps. You just set it like that.
Update page.
Update page with values from dot current location, and you map it normally. Dot house number is equal to house number. You do for one property. If it is working, let's make it for other things also.
Okay.
And you just save it. Go to your not required. Okay. See, check-in you have to do whenever you have completed your entire development.
Okay.
Yeah, whenever your entire functionality is working, then you have to check in. You uncheck it and check it, it will not work, but at least you have to get the data on clipboard. Go to clipboard, expand delivery location.
Okay.
Click on delivery, you have to get house number.
I think so. If we didn't click on save, so is it?
It's not like
otherwise refresh it.
It's not like that. Actually, what we have to do, we have to keep refresh this section. But it has to come in the background. Go to your that checkbox is there, na? Go to that checkbox.
This one or
the
section?
Here in the section.
Okay.
How actually we have to write our code is like we have to do a refresh. Okay, after setting it, go to your actions. You delete that run data transform. Delete that run data transform. You click on add section. Sorry, add an action. Click on refresh. Inside refresh, you add a data transform. You have an option to add a data transform, right?
Refresh this section.
Yeah, refresh
Down,
this
down.
section only.
Down. Yes.
Data transform.
Correct.
Yes.
You add the data transform here.
Set
Default
delivery.
Here, set delivery address.
Okay,
Submit.
submit.
No save.
Sure.
Go and create a case, or yeah, you can refresh also. Ideally, it has to click on work. If it is not working, let's trace. Okay, you uncheck it.
Oh,
Yeah, it's coming.
but
It's coming because you
yeah.
haven't kept any condition, whether it's
Condition.
true or false.
Right,
Yeah.
right,
You
right.
again click on that checkbox. You understand? You have to refresh it. Okay.
Right.
You understand, right?
Yes,
Like
yes.
whenever we are making any changes, we have to refresh the current page. Then only it will load the new data.
Correct.
Refresh
Because we
this.
have given this.
Yeah. Now
Okay.
you open this one, data transform. Now you write the entire data transform and keep a condition also. How you will keep a condition? Before
When?
one, you have to add a condition.
Yeah.
You have to drag to the top. You can drag it. You will get some green color line, I guess. No, yeah. Still top. No, still top. You have to drag.
Okay.
This dragging, you have to habituate it. Yeah, you drag still. Yeah, no, that green line is coming in a dotted line. Yeah, that line. Yeah, now you hold it. Yeah.
Okay. So I have to when condition, right?
When condition.
When page is same or not?
On which page you are getting that one?
Target pages, PY work page only.
Yeah, then you can give dot and click on down arrow.
Yeah. And this is work cover.
Wide. Yeah, you just type it dot work. What is it? Dot location validation.
Yeah.
You just type it. It's okay if it's not coming also. Location validation double equal to in quotation.
That means forcefully you are writing, right?
Yeah, we are checking the condition, right? This is not forcefully. Just we are looking a condition. If it is true, you do this action. If it is false, you do another action.
Okay.
True. Okay, if it is true, see you have dot 1.1, right? In 1.1, you need to keep update page.
Right. Can I drag and drop this?
I think you cannot do to inside a loop. You just keep it. You can copy and paste, I think. Right click on that one. Yeah, the copy is there, na? And you copy it, paste it. Yeah, in 1.1, you paste it. So you can delete the 2-step. You add 1.1.2. See how embedded it is. No.
Right.
1.1, 1.1.1.
House number equals to this. I want to just see the dot location validation if this is.
Yeah, let's see. If it is not working, let's see in tracer. Okay.
Okay.
See, if you have any doubt, you can keep like primary dot location validation or py work page dot location validation.
Okay.
If it is not working, I'm saying
Mm-hmm.
landmark.
But again, we are giving the same manual work, right? Or it is
Yeah, we
one
are
time?
giving the same manual, but generally it should not happen. When you keep a set method, this is an interview question also. How you will copy one page data to another page data directly, like directly in the sense without giving like this. The answer is like we have to use set method only, but I'm not sure why it is not working here. Okay, save it. You have added, right? When it is true, then you just go refresh and check it now. Go to your screen. Refresh. No, you uncheck and check it again. Check and check it again. It will not delete because for false you haven't written any condition.
Right.
Now you write one more condition. 2 you have to write. Number step 2. Okay, when
Can we use otherwise?
you can use otherwise, yeah, you can use otherwise. Otherwise, what you have to do, you have to delete those values, right?
Yeah.
For deleting, you can remove, yeah, you can remove, or you can manually set the values to null.
Null. Okay. Remove.
Anything is fine.
Here I have to again go for delivery location dot, right?
No, you can directly remove the parent page.
Delivery location, right?
Delivery location, that's it.
Okay, this is one step. Okay, yeah,
Yeah,
it will
save it.
remove all the values.
Yeah, it will remove all the values. Now you go there.
And this by default it is selected.
By default,
as,
it is coming, right? That's what I am also seeing. Just refresh.
Okay.
Click on go. Uncheck it. Now check it. Now uncheck it.
Right, it's working.
Okay, but it is coming by default, right? You have to make by default as empty. Empty in the sense false, right?
So here I also have to submit.
Not here. You have to make a change in pre-processing data transform. Because before coming into the screen itself, you have to make a change, right?
For that we have to go for.
Yeah. Where you have to make that one checkbox as empty is like you have to make it in your pre-processing data transform. Because before coming into the screen itself, you have to make it unchecked, right? Action. Open the data transform.
Can't, okay, it is not taking that condition, right? Whenever you are on checking, it should be empty, right?
Correct. You add to another step, 5th step. Set dot
Location validation.
Validation is equal to null you can set. Or false also you can set.
Inverted
Null
commas.
You can set it. Yeah, null you can set. Double quotes.
Small
Check
or
out.
capital N?
No, you just double quotes. No, null in the sense you have to give two double quotes. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. If you return null, it will hold a null value in a clipboard. You understand? Null in the sense only 2 double quotes.
2 double quotes.
Now you go and see if it is working, then you check in. Okay.
By default, it's null.
Okay.
If I modify the data.
Because on click you are copying after modification, right?
Right.
So it will come. It will invoke the data transform and it will work. You understand it? What I'm trying to say? If you want to trace it, you can trace it and see how actually it is running in the background. You can trace and see.
Can we trace it from here this time?
Yeah, you can trace. Go to your designer studio.
Here also option is there, right? Tracer.
Yeah, this will. Yeah, you just see what is the difference. You click on tracer here. This is a whole trace. Okay.
Right.
There are 2 types of trace. One is whole application trace. One is just a rule trace.
Right.
If you have opened the trace from here, this is a whole application trace. Okay. Now, if you selected that checkbox, go on, tick on that checkbox. Go on, see in the tracer.
Pause.
Let it complete. See how many rules it has traced. It has traced the OOTB framework rules, everything it will trace. See, it has traced reload section also. You have given the refresh section, right?
Yes.
That refresh only you have invoked the data transform, right?
Yeah.
See, it is invoking, it is calling everything. It is tracing everything, each and everything it will trace. See how many lines of code it has executed? 86 lines of code.
Right.
Now, if you want to find your data transform now, you control, yeah, here you can find Because this is a simple one, you can directly find it here, or else you have to Control F and search the name.
Mm-hmm.
You have to Control F and search your data transform name, it will show that one. You see how it has invoked. First one, dot location validation equal to true has become true. You can see on the step number 35. Step number 35, here that become true, right? Here you can see it's true. No, don't click anywhere. You just close it.
Yeah, actually.
Here you can see the true value, right? Yeah, come to
Mm-hmm.
the right, come to that. Yeah, that become true.
Okay, so it's a value. Okay.
No, that condition has become true.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So that's why it has entered into the next step, 1.1.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Right.
You now clear the tracer, pause it, you just
Hmm.
uncheck it and you see the difference now. Clear it,
Again, play.
play it, and you just uncheck that checkbox. Go to the tracer, pause it,
Pause.
come down. Yeah. See the step number 35, dot location validation equal to true has become false.
Mm-hmm. Right.
You
So
understand?
that's why it's
It
invoking
went
step
to,
number 2.
it went to 2-step, otherwise condition.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
You understand how it has executed?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
whatever you're clicking, if you're clicking on actions button, it will get traced. Okay,
Okay.
if you're executing any activity, it will trace the everything. It will trace Pega OOTB rules and all everything. Okay, I'll tell you the difference.
Yes.
You close this tracer, go to your data transform, click on action.
Default address info. Okay.
Yeah, not default. You are clicking on that one means this one, set delivery address.
Mm-hmm.
Click on actions, click on trace. Okay, minimize it. Go to your screen and you just check the checkbox. Now you go there,
Hmm.
tracer. See, it has traced only this particular rule.
Hmm.
You understand the difference?
Right.
If you want to trace a particular rule, you know that the changes are present in this rule, then you can trace that particular rule itself.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't know where the changes are happening and you need to debug anything, then you have to do whole trace. Whole trace in the sense it will trace everything.
Right.
Tracer, we have two tracers, like one tracer. See, both the tracers are for debugging purpose only. If you know which rule and which things you have to trace, you can use that tracer from the rule level. It will trace that particular rule. That's it. No, if you want to do a whole tracing, whole entire application tracing, then you can use a bottom tracer. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So
You
it is
understand it?
always like from bottom to top, right? That
Correct.
one.
It will see the step one on the first column. You have one condition, right? That is in the bottom.
Yes.
Okay. It will execute like it is checking the condition in a 2, right? Step 2. See, everything you will be having beginning and ending. Okay. When begin and when end.
Okay. So this is data transform begin and data transform end.
Yes. Lastly,
End.
it is there.
When begin and when end. Similarly for everything.
This is set delivery
No,
address name of our
no.
data transform. Hmm.
Yeah, that is our name of data
Hmm.
transform. This is our class of data transform. This is our rule set. Which rule set it is invoking.
Okay.
See, you see the rule set here. What is the rule set? 010101, right?
Okay.
Why
Yeah.
it is on your name? Because you have checked out that rule, na? So it will
Right.
pick your
Operator.
private edited
Hmm.
checkout rule.
Right.
If you are checked in, then the rule set will be cake order something.
Right. Mm-hmm.
Got it right?
Yeah.
Tracer, you have to use it very efficiently so that you can actually debug your problems or any defects issues very efficiently. If you go to settings, you can see how many lines of code it will trace. You can increase the lines also. Come to the bottom, last
Oh.
bottom.
Yes.
You have the events to trace 5,000 lines it is given. But if you want to trace more than 5,000, generally in my application, it will be 5 lakhs in my tracer.
Okay.
I will give 2 zeros extra.
Okay.
Okay, you can give one more zero extra, 50,000 lines. Okay, you can click on OK. Then it will trace until 50,000 lines. If suppose the code is there also, it will not trace.
Mm-hmm.
It will trace until 50,000 lines. Okay.
Okay.
Generally, better keep 50,000. Okay.
Mhm.
Now the changes what you are doing is all in a clipboard only.
Right.
Okay. But if you click on save here, okay, save, then it will save on a database.
Okay.
Save if you are explicitly clicking on save button or submit button, it will save the data to database. If you are only just entering the data on the fields, then that data will get stored only on a clipboard.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Any questions? If you want to look into any functionality, any OOTP functionality, okay, you have to open your whole tracer. If you want to see anything, if you want to see anything, how it is happening in the background, then you open an application tracer, do that action on a screen. If you do that action on a screen, it will trace it on a background. Trace it line to line, okay? If you click on that commit with error handling, if you want to look into that data, you want to look into that activity, just click on commit with error handling. No,
Yes.
here it is highlighted, right, in yellow color, blue hyperlink. Yeah, click there. If you have clicked on that, go to your designer studio. Go to your designer studio. It will open that rule. See?
Okay.
This rule is getting executed in the background. See the rule set, Pega processing here.
Activity.
See, this is all Pega rules, right? So they have written some Java code and all. First step is Java code, right? You can expand the Java code. You can see this coding and all, it will get executed, okay? See, these are all tracing, debugging and all. You have to get practiced and you have to get much time on it. Then only you will do it on hands-on, like easily. Or else initially everyone should struggle with these things, because you will be getting so many lines of code. You have to search it. You have to know where exactly what is happening on.
Right.
Okay.
If you how actually on click of save, how actually it is working, because on click of save also they have written some code similar to us. How we have written on click of checkbox, similar to on click of button they have written some code. You understand?
Right.
Save button is there now on click of save.
Yeah.
Pega has invoking some actions and all.
Right.
Okay. And now go to your screen. Okay, now my requirement is like whenever you selected this checkbox, okay, you are saying that your delivery location is same as your current location, right? You need not populate the delivery location here. You can make it disable, or you can make it
non-editable, right?
you can make it non-editable, or else you can make it, you can remove the visibility also.
Okay.
Because anyhow you are mapping the data in the background, right? The page is forming in the background.
Okay.
So you can remove the visibility here, or you can make it
Okay.
editable. Anything is fine.
Okay. So this section wise.
Yeah, it's better to make it. It's better to remove the visibility itself.
All right.
Go to the section.
Should I click on submit here, right?
Yeah, you can.
Visibility condition, when rule.
You can write a when rule, or if it's a simple thing, you can write an expression also. If it's a simple condition, you can write an expression.
Okay.
You can write an expression here because it's only based on one property only, right?
So,
Dot.
so you said that when condition or whenever it is, we have to use with is, right?
Yeah, we can use when or expression. Yeah. dot location validation.
Okay.
Dot location validation. When it has to visible?
When it is false,
When it is false and when it is null also.
when it is null also.
So you have to write a condition like dot delivery location not equal to true. You
Okay.
need not click on that gear icon. You can directly write it here.
Here only. Okay.
Yeah, not equal to in a sense, exclamation and quotations. See, when it is not equal to true means both it will cover, right? False and null.
Not equal to true. Okay, right.
Not equal to true is nothing but equal to false or null only. No?
Should it be in inverted
Yeah,
commas?
it has to be inverted. Whenever you are writing any strings, it has to be inverted. Now
Okay,
you
so
submit
that's
it.
why you are using expression
Correct.
build for
Correct.
this.
Only single thing, na? You can write directly in expression. Now,
And
if you
this
click on that
header,
header, header is related to your heading, right?
but if suppose
Yeah, if it is not, if this layout is not visible, then header also will
header
not be
will
visible.
not be visible. Okay.
You can click on that gear icon, settings icon is there, na? It will take it. You open again, click on the settings icon.
This one?
Yeah, settings, yeah. It will take it. See, it has taken directly. Whatever you have written, it has taken. Okay. Save. Save and you can submit. So go there. Actions, refresh. Click on go. Now it is visible. Click on the checkbox. Okay.
Yes.
It is not visible.
Right.
And the visibility is also not required because it's the same address, right? But
Yes.
if you check that one, see in the clipboard, the data is still present. You
I
just
will
check that
check
one.
it.
See in the clipboard.
UI workbench. Yeah, on delivery location.
See, the data is there, but we are not showing it on the screen. That's it.
Right.
You know what is required is showing it on a screen is not required. The main purpose is like to capture a deliver location, right? We are having it on a clipboard page. So if you are not showing it also, it's not an issue. We are just showing the checkbox.
Right.
If you have unchecked it, then you will get visibility. You just uncheck it. Some people, what they will do whenever they check it, they will make all these fields as read only.
So basically, the page will also not be created.
Yeah, page will not be there.
No, there is
Because no, you have removed, right?
Yeah.
Go there. You have unchecked it, right? Whenever you uncheck it, it has to remove the page.
We have set the condition as remove.
Have you opened the clipboard?
Yeah. Let me again close it.
Latest clipboard? Latest clipboard.
I need to again check. Delivery pay location should not be there now.
Click on it. Yeah, this data also should not be there.
Should I click on save and then check?
Yeah, just click on save. Actually, it has to get it removed from the clipboard.
Yeah. Now it's not there.
Okay, but generally it has to be deleted.
Automatic,
Okay?
right?
Yeah, automatically it has to be deleted.
Why is it so like every time we have to click on save?
Yeah, every time we are able to. I think it's all based on the skin of an application. I think in what is this? If I'm not wrong, this is the Cosmos UI, right?
No,
but
it's normal only. But
no, this is the Cosmos. Go to your designer studio. Yeah, go to designer.
So during the selection only, we have selected, I think, that one.
Correct. Click on cake order. Top you have in a header application name is a cake order. Click on application definition.
Theme
Skin is
call.
cake order. Come on. Open the skin cake order. Is it opening the cake order skin? This skin has got inherited from Cosmos, I think. That's why you are getting. Okay, you go to your application definition. Meanwhile, it will open. It is not clickable. Yeah, you remove cake order. Skin, you remove cake order. Instead of cake order, you try to give UI kit is there. You just search. Click on down arrow. End user. Come down.
This is it. These options.
These options. You will be having Pega UI kit 7.0 version.
I
But I
don't
think
think so
here
now.
they haven't given.
Given.
Based on this one also, it will vary. Okay. Sometimes
Okay.
you are
Depends on
explicitly it will ask to save. Whether it is coming or not. This is a cake order skin. This is a customized skin.
Cosmos skin. Yeah, you were right.
Yeah, see, this is a Cosmos skin. You click on that default in Cosmos, right? You just click there. It will open the Cosmos skin, I think. It is opening. Go to your cake order. Okay. You click on default. You click on the pencil icon.
Or check out.
No, don't check out. Just click on default. Yeah, this one we have to define while creating the application itself. Okay, whenever you click on cancel, you click on new application. Click on top definition is there, na? Click on no, you have this application at cake order. Click on it. Click on new application. I'll show you.
Build from scratch, right?
Yeah, build from scratch. See, here it is asking Cosmos React and theme Cosmos, right?
We chose theme Cosmos, yeah.
We have chosen theme Cosmos or we have chosen Cosmos React?
Cosmos, theme Cosmos.
Uh,
Or yeah, traditional. I remember you said that let's go with traditional.
okay, then we have to choose a different skin here. Then, but here.
You have
No,
just two
actually,
options.
I think after this, I mean, new edition, some changes are there because old edition 4 to 5 options will be there.
See, this is a classic is there, no? We used to use classic, you see. Classic is the application type we used to build, okay? In
No,
classic, you need not actually go and save and all. But might be it has changed in the latest version, okay?
Right.
See, it's all based on, again, skin only. Skin you can again modify. You understand? The core rules, you can modify it again back to classic.
Okay.
See, the difference is there in the UI itself.
Yeah.
Okay. And the application is also, while creating also, it is getting created differently, right? For you, it has asked from build from scratch.